Hi, I'm Debbie Byrne. I'm with Toyota R&D, and I'm here to talk to you about our Tacoma H2Overlander. So this vehicle is powered by a hydrogen fuel cell, a second gen from the Toyota Mirai. It's repackaged into this Tacoma engine compartment, and then we have electric motors front and rear. So this vehicle runs fully on hydrogen. The fuel cell actually takes hydrogen from the tanks underneath and oxygen from the air, and through a chemical reaction combines it to make water and then throws an electron to power the vehicle itself. So it really runs like a battery electric vehicle. And we also have a 24.9 kilowatt hour battery. So it's basically a hybrid vehicle, but instead of a gasoline engine, you have a hydrogen fuel cell.
Hi, my name is Craig Cawthon from Toyota Racing Development. I'd like to kind of review some more features on the TRD, on the Tacoma H2 Overlander here. So what we have is a long travel TRD suspension system, all billet rear links with a Fox 2.5 Performance Series shocks, 35-inch tires. Front and rear, if you go to the front, there's also a billet upper and lower long travel suspension kit that also derives parts from the Tundra to help give you a lot more travel when off-roading. Some of the overlanding features of this are a GFC camper with recycled carbon fiber panels that help kind of give you an aero feature for the tracks. Inside you've got a full camp kitchen that has a small hydrogen tank here for powering a hydrogen grill so that you can grill with hydrogen. So not only are you driving with hydrogen, but you're using hydrogen to cook. And one last feature that's really cool is that this has a water collection system that takes the water condensate from the exhaust and collects it into a tank that you can pump out and use it for camping, more for showering or washing your dishes or anything like that. That's not anything you would use other than drinking. So the underpinning of the powertrain for this is two electric motors. There is a electric e-axle here that was developed by the Dana Corporation for this vehicle. Has all the same suspension points and pickup points as a stock Tacoma. And on the front, we have an electric motor that's connected to a gearbox. The rear has an electric locking differential, and the front has a limited slip. So thanks for stopping by. Let us know what you think in the comments.